Hello everyone, today we are joining the rest of the world to mark Suicide Prevention Week. And suicide is a global public health concern all over the world, affecting individuals, families, communities, and groups across the world. Suicide is something that has now been on the rise all over the world and in our country, and it is therefore our responsibility to take initiatives that lead to help people who are suffering or who are going through situations that may lead to suicide. Suicide attracts a lot of attention, but the actions leading to suicide are very silent. And these are the things that should be very loud, because we are so concerned when a person has already committed suicide, rather than be proactive to help people who are suffering to avoid such situations. In our current society, we have seen the rise of people committing suicide. Some others who are searching solutions in some very unconventional ways, like drug and substance abuse. Others are drowning themselves in their sorrowful thoughts. And therefore, GOA continues to advocate and raise awareness for people who are suffering, and continues to create a safe space that people may speak up. It is okay not to be okay, and everyone should understand that. Everyone goes through tough moments, and it is okay to speak up. When you face challenges, it's good that you work with your friends, work with a mental health profession, work with people you trust with to try and work through your issues. It's also okay for people who have already drowned their thoughts in substance abuse and maybe gotten into addiction. It's okay to know that there is a solution, and you must take the steps to work towards your recovery. If you are a family member of a person who is struggling, it's okay for you to be in that situation. You have to understand that you have a role to play in helping your neighbor, your family member, and those across you. Help them to speak up. Give them the space to speak up without judgment. Help them to understand whatever they are going through. Help them, just listen to them, and help them work through their situations. Through GOA Mental Health Department and our counseling teams, we have encouraged people to come out, seek help. We continue to offer mental health services and offer recommendations where we cannot, so that people can get the help that they need, so that we can create a safe society where people are not feeling judged. We have also working with teams, the Alcoholic Anonymous, to help people with addiction problems. And therefore, we are welcoming people who are facing through these situations. Don't stay by yourself. Join people who are going through the same situation. Form support groups. Join people who care about you. They may be families, they may be friends. Help stay with people who are not going to affect your self-esteem negatively. Grow your self-esteem, because whenever you work through your situation, we will always overcome. Whenever you look back, you look at situations you overcome, and they give you hope that you will do that. When you hear stories from others that they have overcome certain situations, you are offering hope through the same situations. And so it is important that each and every one of us understand their role in reducing the stigma on mental health, so that we reduce the rate of suicide in our country, and our society, and the world at large. At GOA, we work with different societies, different communities, in different geographic regions. And for this reason, we are always welcoming like-minded individuals, organizations, people with the same intentions, so that we can make our society better. Therefore, we welcome individuals and organizations that focus on mental health, so that we can form our lines of interest and team up and make our society better and continue to create a safe space in our societies. Thank you.